So we just got up. So Philip is currently on the benab, probably getting some breakfast. I'm about to go meet him. We're gonna probably eat something up and go straight out to the boat and then head out to do some fishing. But I want you guys to see this. Imagine waking up to this every morning. Whew. Beautiful. All right, so stay tuned. More things to come.
What's the fish, boy? What? Dip net, boss? Dip net?
Just take it off.
Alright, boss. Dip net. First cast fish? No dip net. Alright. Watch it like right, guys. Hold. Done in. A good pull. You get how good, so I'm not freaking. Control the arm. Go there. Go straight up in the corner there. Man, done in, boy.
Ooh,
ah,
nice one, boy. Good
mad size too. Alright, they start good. What's one for now? Ah, yeah, mad size too.
Yeah. Ooh.
I gotta get on this one.
Are you surfacing, boy?
Ay, yeah, mad size too. Look, I gotta get a hand of this one. Right. Take it like that, guys. Take it like 250. Mad size one, boy. Put your rod over my head. Aye, good.
Ooh, what a mad size!
Take it like go so long. It look like a ganga holy. It look like a ganga holy. Just take it
Right.
You just look at it. Yeah, over the left over the one side. Mad size, boy. One stubborn. You don't rough you up too much. Don't rough you up too much.
Nah, you're tired.
You're tired. I'll hold you by your tail. Mad size, boy. One stubborn. Don't rough you up too much. Don't rough you up too much.
Nah, you're tired.
You're tired. I'll hold you by your tail. This way has got to do when you ain't got dip net. Alright. Shot, boy! Big shot, go see! Ah! Size!
Oh!
Right? I'll do this like here out and leave.
Yeah. He coming out, sir.
Coming up at top.
He coming up so top.
Shine the gap full of a fish this trip, y'all. Don't worry. I'm gonna put you on one. I got hook itself and say, look.
Ooh.
What? You didn't looking that big? I see.
Yeah, definitely.
Make sure. What he feels good. There, you got your own. Lowering him out.
Gosh, push it.
I see up. I see up.
What size, boy?
Big meal, boy. Tired now, boy. Tired. Monster goes. Monster for monster, boy. Those two places got some. Nice one, Gus. One man can't be two. Let's see if I get one.
Oh, now, boy.
Aye! What you running fit? Come get it. The lower tangle up and you ain't getting it. Aye, you get it. You get it. So long. So long the man running behind it, boy. What do you got? See, what do you tell? My head's so big it bruised, boy. Rest it down. See if you can pick up this one for me. Monster, boy. Me know this one, he get the lure good. The man running behind it all the time. Hold on, that's a high speed, it's a small one.
Swallow it.
Swallow it?
Yeah, he swallowed it.
Cup him? Mad action today, boy.
Just throw it, you never know, you could catch it.
Man run out behind it but 100 times. Go see like you alone catching all the shark, boy. It's only me pulling up the small one them. Hold up the monster, you see?
Hold on.
Yeah, clip out me one.
Ah! I swallow this whole lower by this.
What do you up to see there, boy? What a bump size on this man head, boy. My head's so big it bruise up. Alright. Mali team. Big one too.
Philip, you doing?
Aye. Anything biting you now is a cow.
Wheel, boy, wheel.
Whale you style them thing this is whale? Them thing this is dinosaur, boy. Them thing this is dinosaur, no whale.
No, come here. Score. Sorry to show you.
Come back out.
No, they're right there.
You done, eh? Bring. My head this is say man wetting up my skin by come stop like what?
Still got energy for this? Come by.
Come bring this spin you around. Put it down in the water, don't hide see the water like that. Come bring it round. But turn it back so I could get tail.
Put it down.
Nice shot, Gussie, nice shot. One star game, boy.
Ah, pull his arm, boy. Crap. Ah.
Hi. Break shine, just keep out. I want to see who fish now without a dip net. I want to see who fish now without a dip net. Ah, they keep them away from one, not for the tangle up.
Oh, big this man. Got good size, boy.
Hold on, let get me on in the boat fast. That you won't look like you got bigger than me. You don't look like it's bigger than me. Watch his size. Okay? Watch his size and we heisting them in the boat. With the same hook. Enjoy me. Yeah, of course. Big shark, boy. Man, a good size. Oh, this guy, you got nice size. Bring you around. No, let's raise up. We don't hold it. Let's raise up the surface. Wow, it's a big female. Hold on. What's my deal?
Oh.
Hop him up, boy.
Look, boy.
What? What this is, boy? You even finished taking off the first lure yet, look. Jeez, boy. This your knife?
Yeah, that's my knife. One side for you, one side for me. keep the head to us.
Yeah, bruh.
Bruh, you feel that two more party gang when we go back, so. Nothing is got to waste outside here, right? Everything is all about surviving. Living is one thing and surviving is something else. Last you fillet such a big one, Gus?
Good question. Actually, I got a video coming out from in old England in London.
Nice, nice. On store.
Alright, bye. Campground. Gotta roast one of these fishes for lunch and back out.
This me. You done season up. This is lunch.
Now start to wash. Hard.
Yeah, we're going back out on the lake. You use the cap, you telling me the right thing, so when we go out and stuff, yeah, listen to you. Enjoy me a whole stove rolling.
This is alright, want it to roll off.
Aye. Nice.
Look at the boy. Good color.
Here's what we're looking for. Nice. Just like the season and look good.
Okay. Just almost finished flipping that. Break this off here. Smoke.
Smoke.
Alright, I'll show you how we got for lunch. Cassava bread. After that, fillet.
Yes. Piece of cassava bread. And we have the coconut, so heat up, we can head back out. You come good, chef, you come good. The seasoning proper. Ricky, you gotta go with the seasoning anytime you go in anywhere and roast a fish.
Oh no!
Here comes the Lord, you get it good.
Oh, I know if you go goodbye. He looks up.
You go good, get the guy who will learn you. So bring me up, and I go with it here.
Yeah, you get the whole here.
Nice meal, big meal.
Woo.
You get tired, man. You do all again. What a man bump.
But it's nice, boy.
So it's an afternoon, nice there, boss.
Yeah.
Once we come up top,
Take a phone anyway. Take a link, did he?
Stop fresh and stick to the boat one. The guy dragging me out of there. We'll be controlling that.
Yo!
Nice one, boss. Nice one. Closing half the afternoon again with a nice big one. Aye.
Jeez, boy.
Can't come and can't say your name, shy yourself. You come and you make a mess of them. Alright, put it down, fall it down! Nice size.
Jeez! Well, sun is getting low. David, finishing off with a nice one this afternoon. Philip?
Proper trip.
Good trip, bye. Alright, so This is it from us. Right. Catch you guys later. See you with another one.